Welcome to third session of chapter 10. Let's learn about breathing in other animals. Some animals like lion, tiger, elephant, human being have lungs in their chest cavity for respiration. But what about other animals? Do they also have lung? How do they breathe? Let's find out. First, we will see about respiration in insect like cockroach. Air enters the insect's body through tiny holes present on the sides of the body. These holes are known as spiracles. You can see on the screen. These spiracles open into a network of air tubes spread over the body of insect. These tubes are known as trachea and they facilitate gas exchange. Oxygen reaches the cell through tracheal system and the carbon dioxide is received from the cell by the tracheal system and expelled through the insect's body through the spiracles. Next, we will see about the respiration in earthworm. Earthworms, like insect, do not have lungs nor do they have a nose. They breathe through their skin. They absorb oxygen from air and soil. When oxygen comes in contact with their moist skin, it is absorbed through tiny blood vessels and is circulated throughout the body. The same blood vessels carry carbon dioxide to be expelled through the skin. Therefore, for effective respiration of oxygen, earthworms keep their skin moist. Let's learn breathing in fish. Unlike all land animals, fish get their oxygen from water. Instead of using lungs, fish breathe using organs called as gills. Most fish have 4 pairs of gills enclosed in a gill chamber on each side of the head. At the outside of the body, flap of bone called gill cover protects the gills of a fish. Gills are well supplied with blood vessels. This process of breathing begins when a fish gulps water through its mouth. At the same time, waste carbon dioxide in the blood passes out through the gills into the water. Start our last topic of this chapter. Do plants also respire? We often believe that in the process of respiration, plants take in carbon dioxide and let out oxygen. But in fact, this process is called as photosynthesis, about which you have learnt in chapter 1. The process through which plants prepare their own food, it takes place only in the parts of plant which contain chlorophyll, that is, only the green parts of the plant. All living organisms, including plants, get the energy they need to live from a chain of chemical reaction called as respiration. The process of respiration needs glucose to start the reaction, which is then converted into energy while producing carbon dioxide and water as byproducts. During respiration in plants, very little transfer of gases takes place from one part to another. Roots, leaves and stem exchange gases for respiration separately. Leaves of plants have tiny pores called as stomata, which is used for exchange of gases. The oxygen taken in through stomata is used by the cells in the leaves to break down glucose into carbon dioxide and water. Similarly, roots of plants take in air from the air spaces present in the soil particles. Thus, the oxygen absorbed through roots are used to release energy, and this energy is utilized for the transport of minerals. So students, here you have learnt about the breathing in animals. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.